Okay, so go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, and search for change case. Pick this one. I haven't tried the other ones, but I assume they also probably work. Anyways, go press install, continue, choose your account, continue. I'm not reading all that. Allow. Just wait. Done. Okay, now select your text, go to extensions, change case, all lowercase, and now all you have to do is just wait. It's not going to be instant, it's going to be done one by one, but that's how you lowercase in Google Sheets right now. Maybe at some point they'll add like an actual option inside the platform and not as an extension, but for now that's how you do it if you want to do it automatically. You can also use a function, but this is probably the easiest way. So